Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a trading basics that every beginner should know. This will show you the trend movement and it will help every beginner to get a good amount of money and will help you to analyze the chart. So let's start and watch the video from the beginning. So first of all guys, I will let you know what I will do exactly and I will draw some lines on TradingViewer. I will give you some ideas. I will read the chart with you. If you have a good look right now on the chart that I already opened in front of you, as you see here, the trend is going as an upper trend. This is an uptrend movement. Here on Euro British Pound currency, the price is going up, so we can call it's an upper trend. So for the upper trend, as you see here, the price was here and it went down here. It started from this point and it goes here and it went up to the maximum point. Okay, let's start from the beginning. When the price was here, this was the lowest point where the price was in. And the price went up, as you see here, until it reached this point. So I will draw a line here and I will tell you what's the use of this line. This will be the break of structure. When the price went down and this point, it bounced back again and went up. So from this point to this point, if the price reaches the point where the previous price was here, as you see here on this point, it was here the price, and if the price reaches the same break of structure and it crosses it, you can here on this point open your trade directly on a buy. It will be very easy. You will be very confident to open your trade on a buy. On the other side, if for example, if for example the price went up and it went down again and it touches this point and went lower, you can open in that case your trade on a sale. It will be much easier and much confident for you, because here was the lowest point where the price was breaking and bounced from it to the upper movement. But as you see here, the price was keep going up. And also here is the second break of structure. When the price reaches the same level of this level and this area, you can open your trade on a buy and it will be very easy for you to open your trade on a buy. This is an example of uptrend. Sorry guys, I will show you another example of TradingViewer about the downtrend. But before I will go to the downtrend, don't forget to go to my Telegram channel. The link will be below. Go and subscribe to see more information about trading that will help you. And if you have any ideas or any question that you want to ask, go ask me there. So let's continue to the downtrend. For the downtrend movement, I found a currency, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. On this currency, I can see here there is a nice chart for the downtrend. So I can draw some lines on it. You can understand with me what I'm talking about exactly. As you see, this was the top point and the price came here. I will say it came here to this point and it went up. And it bounced down again to here. It went up a little bit, bounced down, it went up. It keep going down. I will draw to here, to here. That's the line that I will draw for now. So when the price was here, that was the highest point where the price was, and the price started going down to this point and it bounced, and this was the break of structure. It bounced to this point and the price went down again and it crosses this point that we bought from it, the break of structure. So in this area, it was very easy for you to open your trade on a sale because the price keep going down. And here also are the same situation, and also here, and also here. We can say here and here and here. So in the same situation, we can open our trade on a sale on this point, and this point, and this point, and this point. So I think now you understand what I'm talking about when I read the chart. Now I just read the chart with you, analyze it, and I understand that I can open my trade. It will be easy for me to open it on a sale on this situation. But let's go and make it on bucket option. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram, because you will find more information about the same strategy that I'm talking about today. And now let's start trading with analyzing the trend and the movement of the market. Take a look on this currency. Okay, let's pause this currency for a minute. Take a look together, guys. As you see, we will say this is the lowest point, and the price went up to this point. It came back here, it goes up to this point, and this was the breakout structure. If we open our trade here, we will get our trade. It went down here and it went up here. So also on this point, if we open our trade on a 1 minute, we will get it. It went down, it went up to this point. Okay, and now it's going down again. So if we say that the price go lower than this point, we can open our trade on a sell. But if the price, as you see here, the price start going down, because here it went down, it goes back up again, it didn't, goes up to this point. So now it's down movement trend. So the trend is down now and keep going down. So as I see here, the price, if you will say it's downtrend, the price is under this point. So we can open our trade on a sale for a 1 minute. Let's see. As you see here, it's under. So I will open it for a sale. I will open it for a $100. I don't want to take this risk. This is my first trade. So we'll open it and see. Because as I see, the price is under the breakout structure that I bought here. In the beginning, the price was going up and now it started going down. So we open it and now we will wait. Let's wait together. And I got a profit with $63 from my first trade. As you saw, it was very easy. I took a good look on the market and I analyzed the chart with you. I do it with you. I draw the line with you very fast, and then I just opened the trade. As you saw, we got this trade. So let's go to our second trade together, guys. Let's go to our second trade, but before I go to my second trade, I want to ask you, are you subscribing my YouTube channel or no? If you are not, so please start subscribing and give me any comment if you have any question, any doubts about trading, about the ideas that I'm sharing with you. Just feel free to comment anything on the video. So let's start our second trade. Here I open the AUD NZD currency. Let's take a look on it together. We'll stop the screen and take a look if we can take it or no. So let's see. As you can see, here there was a good uptrend here. The price was going up. Here they were in the same points nearly, and the price keep going up. Here the price was stable, but here the price went down, but it didn't went down lower than this point. We have to see here, if it gets lower than this point, it will change to downtrend. If it changes to downtrend, will be a sell trade. And also, if you know, you can open a buy trade on the on the downtrend, guys. But I will show you an example about it. 1 second, let's see what happened here. Yes, no, the price may go low or may go up. We are not confident about it because the price stays the same of this point. So I will change the currency. There is no use to stay on one currency and keep waiting until it get a good trend or a good movement. But here I can see I can open my trade on a buy and I can be confident about it. I will open it on a buy and I will show you why. I know and I'm confident about what I did, but I will show it to you by drawing the lines. We will say the price was here. This was the top place that the price was in, and the price went down here and it went up a little bit. This was the breakout structure. So here you can open your trade on a sale. Sorry, here will be the breakout structure. If it went up of it, you can open your trade directly on a buy. But sorry, to this point here, all of the way till down, you can open your trade directly on a sale and you will be confident. But here the price went here and it bounced back up again. And as I heard, I got this trade, I got a profit with 92. So as I expected, the price will went up. Maybe it will break down again, but this was the point where I can open my trade on a sell, but here it just bounces, so I can be confident to open my trade on a buy. So I just told you right now, and the two ways I can open my trade on a buy or a sell with reading or analyzing the trend very well. So let's see. Yes, I got this trade, I got a profit with $92 on the second trade. Let's continue our third trade. To start with the CAD CHF currency, but here as you see the price is stable. We are looking for lines like this, as you see here. How is the lines going down here? The price is going down. So this was a downtrend. We can open our trade here on a sell, or here on a buy, or here on a buy. But mostly on this trend, you can open it on a sell. It will be much easier for you to get money or to be confident about the entry point that you will enter the trade with it. No, also here. I think here it looks nice. Here there is a break of structure. The price was going up. It was uptrend, and it went down lower than this. No, it didn't went down lower to this point. So it went down here. If we will take this point, it went up. This was the highest point. But if it went lower than this point, here we can open our trade on a buy and we will be confident. But if it also break this point, you can also more confident to open your trade on a buy. But as I see here, because let's stop this screen for a minute and show you more clearly. The price was here, it went up. This is the lowest point, this is the highest point. It went down here. From here to here, this was the break of structure. So it crossed the point. So here you can open your trade on a buy, and here it went down again. It will went up, even if it will be in the same level, or it will cross this point. So here I also can open my trade on a buy, and I will be confident to get this trade. I will open it for 1 minute for a buy. According to the drawer, we will get it. Let's wait for 1 minute and see. I will get it, and I get a good profit with $92 from my third trade, as you saw. I'm glad you watched this video till the end. Now you understand the theory about the trend movement of the chart. So it will be easy for you to practice it. You can practice it, and also don't forget to go to my Telegram channel. You'll find a ton of ready-made strategy that will help you to be a better trader, also better than me. So what are you waiting for? Go subscribe there, and see you in another video. Bye bye.